Hey, my friend Daniel here, CEO Infinity with myEcon. And in this video, we are calling all leaders all across the globe. And there's three specific things that I want to talk to you about. Number one is momentum and timing. Number two is duplication. And number three is the most incredible transactional compensation plan that I have ever seen. Now, before we dive into these things, real quick, just a little bit about me. I have been in the online digital marketing space since 2016. I've been full time online since 2017, and I've been with myEcon since 2018. We've built an incredible team, and right now in 2025 is an incredible opportunity as myEcon just went global. For the last 20 years, they've been operating here primarily in the United States, and now they have launched to over 150 countries around the world. They did this legally, ethically, and the smart way, which is why it took so long for them to do it. And now it is here, and the momentum is really, really building. So let me break down these three things for you. So if you are a leader in another business opportunity in another country or right here in the United States, there is incredible momentum and timing with myEcon because with this global launch, it is opening up the doors to just millions of possibilities that they did not have before. And when I get to the compensation plan and talk about that for a minute, you're going to understand why. Now, what we're looking for and what I want you to understand is we're looking for key leaders that understand momentum and understand timing because of this global launch. It is brought in hundreds and hundreds of new members in a matter of moments. And as this gets out there and as word starts to spread and as people start to realize, we've even seen the keyword searches on YouTube that the word global and 2025 now attached to myEcon is starting to spread, starting to grow. There's more and more traction, and more people are starting to notice what myEcon is doing. So if you understand opportunity, if you understand momentum, if you understand timing, there is no better timing than right now, even just to jump in, take a position, and look and see what we're doing. It is an incredible opportunity right now at this moment. So, if you are a global leader, a US based leader, this is something that you should seriously consider. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my phone number right at the top of this video. Please don't hesitate to reach out, text me, and ask me any questions. Also, if you're overseas and you can't text me because it's a US based phone number, just drop a comment. If you want, leave me your email and you and I can connect that way. Second thing I want to talk about here is duplication. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave an end card. You can click on that and you can watch my full tutorial. We give away our $11,000 proven to convert duplication system with your myEcon membership. And this is for any member on our team. This is only exclusive to our team. One of my specialties is building systems for network marketing and affiliate marketing companies. I create a simple duplication system that anybody can go through, and it's really designed for the brand newest everyday person that has never had success online or people that have tried and failed and never had success online. We have had thousands and thousands of people come through our system and make 10, 15, dozens of sales, per day or even per week. And we've had so many people create a full-time income because of our system. And again, if you want to see you want to see my full tutorial, full overview of our system, I'm going to leave an end card here at the end of this video. I'll also put a link in the description down below and you can check it out for yourself. So if you're looking for, for your team and something that is easy that they can plug into, that they could get straightforward direction and have everything they need to start building and growing their business, it's all there inside of our duplicatable system. Sales funnels, training. We do the email marketing for all of our members. Okay. We have an app that you can use. All of these things cost money. Page builders, email autoresponders, video hosting, apps, integration tools and softwares, traffic. We have sales rotators. We drive paid advertising to these traffic rotators. We front the bill on all of that. It's a system that's valued well over $10,000 and it's yours absolutely free. And every member that joins our team, it's absolutely free just for activating your myEcon membership. Okay. Now, lastly, number 3, let's talk about transactional compensation. What does that truly mean? Well, unlike a lot of other compensation plans that are out there on the market today, there's a lot of gotchas. There's a lot of, certain things need to be, you have to hit certain criteria in the compensation plan in order to receive certain things. And if you don't have a certain volume or you don't do certain things every single month, if your auto ship, isn't active, then you might not get certain bonuses, certain compensation. It's not that way here. This is a true transactional compensation plan, meaning that you can earn on every single person on your team the day that they join and every single month when they renew. And the pay plan, the compensation plan, pays down through infinity. There is absolutely no cap on your income. There's no volume requirements. And the only basic sales requirements are that you have 2 personally sponsored active people. That's it. That's as simple as it gets. And again, the pay plan goes down to infinity. So whether you have a person that is 1 person down from you or 1,000 people down from you, when they make a sale, when they join, you get paid. When you make a sale, you get paid every single month. When every single person on your team renews, again, whether it's 5 people or 5,000 people, you get paid on every single one of those people every single month. That is a true transactional compensation plan, meaning in its simplest form, every time there's a transaction on your team, you get paid. No gotchas, no hoops to jump through, very straightforward. So if you've been looking for an opportunity, looking for the right system, the right people, the right team, the right compensation plan, and the right opportunity, it is right now with myEcon. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions for me, text me, drop a comment down below, or I'm going to leave the end card here in a second, and you can click on that and go watch my full tutorial and overview and see exactly what you get when you partner with me. I appreciate you watching. Right now is the time, my friend. myEcon is at a very pivotal moment right now and about to explode. I hope you understand that, and I hope you take advantage. Thank you for watching, my friend. Real quick, if you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can be the first to know anytime I update or release new content. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the inside real soon.